Anyako said today, for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to Superior Court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. No. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it. Nigeria, chairman of board of benchers. An old man like this doesn't know the law. You don't know the law. I have petition against her. Nonsense. Nonsense. Why is it when it comes to my case, they turn the law upside down? They turn the law upside down. Upside down. Upside down. The rule. Who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it, what the judge said was that the case file. Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution, and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact. Yes. Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it. That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra, my right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism. Stop talking when I'm talking.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Good afternoon. Greetings. Today being the 18th day of July, we had our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, in the zoo court today once again. Though the full dialogues I have not gotten hold of, but I'm going to go straight to the page, the X handle of the erudite Aloy Ejimako. From there, we can also look up on Somto Okonkwo's page and see what news we've got from the court today. Those were excerpts from the previous court sittings where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu proved to them that he is indeed the lion of Africa, the lion of Biafra land. Odomu de Biafra. Ako Biafra. Organic. Let me take you straight to the update from today. So let us know what happened today. Thank you, everyone. All right. I haven't. No, 1 minute. I need to remove one of these. Okay, then this is better. Let's have this. Okay, let's have a bigger, a wider one so that you can read for yourself. Okay, let's see what we've got. A little bit back, so to see what Aloy Ejimako wrote today. This was from today. The matter of Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has convened. All are gathered. A historic moment beckons. So these are pictures from today. From today. You know, there's something that amazes me. Do you know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been putting on these same clothes for going to 5 years now? Except if they are buying the same type of clothes for him. This same Fendi clothes for almost 5 years now. It means a lot. It means a lot. It means a lot. Consistency. I will never deviate from my roots. I will never deviate from my course. What I believe in is steady, steadfast, consistent. Now, it reads, the matter of Federal Republic of Nigeria versus MNK has been adjourned to the 10th of October. 10th of October? Why? For ruling. On the 10th of October, they want to rule. They are pushing it. They keep pushing it, but they must push it to their own doom, their abysmal end. 10th of October 2025 for ruling on the no case submission. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu submitted a no case submission, and then whatever went on today, they have concluded on it, and then they have shifted it to the 10th of October for ruling. Whatever made them not to rule on it today, I cannot explain. Okay, the lengthy adjournment, very lengthy, the lengthy adjournment was made necessary by the oncoming judicial vacation that will commence in a few days. Thank you for your support and prayers. So this bastard, evil, vampirous, jackal, blood-sucking, demonic court of Nigeria, their lawyers are going on vacation to go and enjoy themselves, but they want to leave the lion of Africa, the lion of Biafra. They want to still leave him behind closed doors, behind bars. The God of Biafra, you will vindicate your son. You will vindicate your servant. Okay. So let us go to Somto Okonkwo's handle, and let's see if there are other things we should be seeing. Let's see if there are other things that we should be seeing. Okay, Somto. What are we? Have we? Okay, I'm here still. Let's see if Somto have got some latest, more current from today for us. Let's see, Somto Okonkwo, my man. All right, let's go. This one is Dr. Charles talks about the changing of Igbo names of. Okay, this one is a different subject. Okay, Somto shared what we just read. This video, listened to it before. I might want to play it again. What else? Okay, I think that was it from Somto, but let us play the video of what happened. This is video from today. It's exactly how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came in today. It's exactly what happened today. We didn't do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. Greeting everybody. Greeting everybody. Obi Ezeke, let him go. Watching it. Thank you, Patricia Kamulete, thank you. Luis Peters, thank you. Things Brain Box, wow. Bring Springboks, thank you. Yeah, not so that I am not on Facebook at the same time as I'm here. But some platforms that you be seeing anything I'm doing on Facebook. Okay, this one, Lucas Linus. Okay. Go somewhere else and watch whatever you want to watch. Okay?
Get us.
Let me go to. Okay, that was it. That was it from them. Okay, Santo. Let's see. Nothing else. Let's just listen to this video. I don't know what Charles Apoki said here, but I'm sure it must be something worth listening to. Charles is
in circulation
10 minutes.
about change of the name.
10 minutes is too much. I don't have up to 10 minutes. So we will not be able to see this one. I don't have up to 10 minutes. This one is 3 minutes. Okay, let's listen to this one.
Nigerians felt that he was coming with that pedigree.
You are part of the problem.
How?
No,
because he performed well, excellently well as the governor of Lagos State. So Nigerians felt that he was coming with that pedigree.
You are part of the problem.
How?
You are part of the problem. So you still believe that Tinubu performed in Lagos, Abi?
Barrister didn't.
You are the one who is telling
Barrister
Tinubu
didn't he?
On what ground? Mention what he did in Lagos.
Okay. What did he not do?
Changing deputies like he's changing rapper. What did Tinubu do in Lagos? Mention it. Just can't, except taking the land of Lagos State. No, tell me. Do you know that the half of the land in Lagos State belongs to him? Are you aware?
Barrister, do you want our viewers to believe that for the 8 years that Tinubu was in government in Lagos State, that he didn't make any improvements?
I said, tell me what he did. We are here now. Mention it. Let them hear. Let them hear. Except that he hijacked Lagos State. You see how you people created something that is
Barrister, it was Tinubu that opened up the Lekki axis that is, like a high rise now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Open it for himself.
The fortune part of Lagos.
He opened it for himself.
The Lekki area.
Did he open it for him or for Lagosians? Go and see how many of his properties are along that route.
But he's not the only one living there.
Well, go and see how many of his properties are along that route. Go and see. Even this Lagos Calabar coastal this thing, he passed through his in front of his house over there. True of us. He passed through in front of his house over there. You see what we are talking about? You don't look at what a man is doing. You only see the surface or the sources on the surface. The only thing, why do you think Tinubu have assumed that Lagos State belongs to him? To the extent of telling a governor that his sins are forgiven. That means someone who sinned in his vineyard, just like Adam and Eve sinned in the garden and Jesus Christ threw them away. You can imagine how unwittingly people like you now claim that Tinubu owns Lagos. He performed. Mention what he performed that is the benefit of Lagos.
I'd like for you to understand that I'm a moderator. I'm a presenter. I don't have an opinion. I'm just putting out the opinion of Nigerians. You brought
up that opinion.
Because that is what Nigerians believe in 2023.
Without facts. I don't actually.
Okay, Nigerians believed without facts.
They were deceived. The Lagos Ibadan press packaged Tinubu
and sold him to Nigeria.
Yes, and you know, Tinubu is a media mogul. He has a media outfit that are packaging him. So all these lies.
So his media outfit had to outsmart all the rest of the outfits in Nigeria.
When you are a media mogul, you can influence opinion within your territory. You can. They have been pocketed and bought over. I keep asking you, tell me what Tinubu did in Lagos. You cannot.
No, Barrister.
Pocketed and bought over. Did you hear that? I like that part where he said they will have been pocketed and bought over. Just the same way Ogenkere, Isaiah Nyogo have pocketed and bought over some idiots that are eventually going to be destroyed. Yes. If you were pocketed and bought over, you will eventually be destroyed. Yes. Somebody's make a comment here. He said, we need to be united. If we put all the money in fundraising together, it will go a long way. But now the fundraising has been divided into different 3 groups. Now, what are you supposed to do? Where are you supposed to be? Are you supposed to be with Simon Ekpa, or are you supposed to be with the other 2 criminal groups? So who are you advising? Are you advising me that I'm standing gidigbam with our Prime Minister, with Brigi, or are you advising them that decided to divide and go? You understand? So take that advice to where it should be, and stop making such comments here. Yes. Okay.
Excuse me, Barrister. Barrister, I would like for you to understand that I'm a presenter. I'm not meant to answer your questions. When I ask, you answer. Okay. So maybe we'll go back to Nigerians and ask them, what did Tinubu do in Lagos as governor for 8 years?
Without being told, why can't you start by naming those things? Because
no, Barrister, I shouldn't have an opinion here.
You started this argument.
But Barrister, you brought it. You said that if we had to rely on performance, that Obi should have won. And I said that, look, Nigerians also believe that Tinubu performed in Lagos.
Yeah, Nigerians.
Yes, I'm not the only. We have like 220 million Nigerians.
We are those Nigerians.
Barrister, let's get away let's get out of this argument and concentrate on what we are. Barrister, let's leave this argument and concentrate on 2027.
Well, also, that's how they run. When you just expose their brown envelope tendencies, they will just be running. Ask him why is he running now. He will not be able to explain. Anyway, let them continue to postpone. Victory remains ours. Victory remains ours. And eventually, they will confess that Chukwu Kabiam is the king. They won't. Tonight, if eventually I get the dialogue of what took place inside the court, I will bring it up. Or if I get it later, I will share it. Or a better analysis that comes from those that witnessed the event, because I didn't witness the event that live. There are people that actually witnessed it. We will share it with you. But what you need to know now is that our leader, Nnamdi Kanu's court case, for ruling has been postponed till 10th of October. 10th of October. Let me see. Maybe this will have something better to tell us. Hello, Maz.
Yeah, Maz, Maz, one thing I wanted to contribute on this, right?
Oh no, and in a life, I couldn't one idea.
I know, I'm watching you.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
You know why the zoo are doing all this thing they are doing now, right? Doing to our leader, right?
Why?
Why they are postponing this case? Since they are doing this thing, because they are trying to see if they can bring our men down. Because they know that if they bring our men down, if they release our leader and the PM, that everything will destroy. Okay. That is their major. That is why Aaron Onyema now they cannot stand any longer the heat. That is why they are coming out open now to do open donation. Understand?
Okay.
That's why, that's why all of them are coming out now to do open donation. This is their last fight. What they want now is to try to destroy, if they can destroy our men before they release our leader.
But they will fail. They have already failed.
That is why they are postponing this case. That is why they are coming out now to do open donation to individual now to support the zoo now. You understand? Yeah, but they have failed.
Shame is their portion. Shame and disgrace is their portion.
Yeah, they have failed woefully, completely. So that's what I wanted to contribute.
You do well. So it's true. There is no two ways about it. That's exactly what they want to do. But one thing they must know is that Chukwu Kabiama is with us. Our CDS, Igwe Butozo, has been prepared and cooked for this particular mission. People like us have been reserved to stand firm on the side of truth. When the misinformation criminals are firing their misinformation, we will be setting the record straight and telling Biafrans to remain steadfast. Remain steadfast and go nowhere. We will sing the victory song at the end of the day. Everyone that wanted us down, all of them, they will all be put to shame. Just be steadfast and see what Chukwu Kabiama will do. Alan Onyema and his likes, you will see what will happen to them. You saw what happened to Ifeanyi Uba. You saw what happened to Ifeanyi Uba. You will not learn your lesson. No, you will learn it, but you're going to learn it in a hard way. You will learn your lesson, but you will learn it in a hard way. I am Vam Vam Vam.